Hi lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making Jamaican goat curry. This curry is mostly eaten with their rice and peas, which I will be making later in the video. First and foremost, I have my goat here, which is already washed. I have my veggies. Here I have my spring onions, some bell peppers, some tomatoes, onions. I have sliced habanero peppers, sliced garlic, sliced ginger, and very importantly, I have my thyme leaves. Here are the seasonings I'll be using. Firstly, I have my black pepper. I have my whole pimento seed, which is very important ingredient in this recipe. I have just 1 cube of Maggi. I have all-purpose seasoning. I have my garlic powder and my salt. And a very important ingredient, which is my curry powder. Guys, make sure you are getting the Better Pack curry powder. As you can see, it's got the Jamaican flag on it. If you want to have the proper Jamaican flavor, you need to get the Better Pack curry powder. Okay guys, now it's time to mix everything together. Set it aside to marinate overnight in my fridge. Alright guys, this is how it's looking. I'll just leave it overnight because I want it to marinate really well. Hi lovely people, so yes, the next day is here and I'm coming to make my rice and peas. Yes guys, remember that your peas will also need to be soaked overnight because peas are actually very hard and you need to soak it overnight to soften it to make it easy to cook. So here is my already washed peas, my thyme leaves, some scallions, my habanero. I'm using 1 habanero pepper guys, half a tablespoon of pimento seeds, 3 garlic cloves, coconut milk, coconut oil, and some salt to taste. Yes guys, these are all the ingredients I need to make my rice and peas. Guys, I forgot to show my rice. Yes, I'm making rice and peas, so rice is part of the ingredients, but I forgot to show my rice. Remember that when you are making this, you need your rice. Let's get this cooking. Okay guys, remember when you cook your peas, you want to cook it till soft before you proceed with the rest of the ingredients. Okay guys, this is how my marinated goat is looking. It's time to make our curry goat. Alright guys, so this is a step that my Jamaican friends taught me. According to them, if you do this step, it doesn't make you get runny stomach with your goat curry. Looking very yummy and sumptuous. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is B's Global Kitchen. Thank you. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.